Say hi to the crew, honey.
Hi, crew.
Tell them how upset you are. Tell them how your husband has you out here in 8-foot seas and you're not happy.
Not happy because Charlie's not happy. And I'm not happy when
Oh, you're full of
Charlie's not
shit.
happy.
She's full of shit. She's been bitching for the last 20 minutes.
Big waves.
Kenny,
Yeah.
I got something to say to you.
Yeah.
You're absolutely insane.
Thank you.
Insane sailor, man in his boat.
Get on the low side, Annie.
Huh?
Sit on the low side. It's more comfortable.
No! My butt belongs this far away from the water. But it is pretty out here.
Bye-bye. Say goodbye, honey.
Goodbye.
Bye.